morning, everyone. My name is Rachel Elgacat, studying at Urdaneta City University. I will tell you a story today entitled in Mario's Special Day. Today is a special day for Mario. After lunch, he is going to the zoo with Nanay and Tatay. Mario loves animals. The alarm clock rings. It is time to wake up Nanay and Tatay. He peeks in inside his parents' bedroom to say if they are awake. Mario, you're up bright and early today, Nanay says. Mario cannot believe his eyes inside. He says, Elephant and tigers, let us all go have some breakfast, Tatay says. Mario happily eats his pancakes. He finds giraffes and turtles on top of the kitchen counter. Please pass the syrup, he whispered to the giraffe near him. After breakfast, Mario goes to the living room to rest. He squeezes between pigs on the sofa and reads them a story. Monkeys join in. Mario, it is time for your bath, Nanay calls. Mario runs up the stairs to the bathroom. Oh, what fun! He has never taken a bath with ducks and Finn before. After his bath, Nanay helps Mario dress up. Mario smiles at the dogs and cats in the room. Now, where did I put that other sock? Nanay wonders. Mario goes to the dining room to help Tatay prepare lunch. What's a sight? There are animals everywhere. Mario, are you excited to go to the zoo? Tatay asks Mario. Mario looks at the animals, group them and laugh happily. Today is ended a special day. Thank you for your listening.